Mellow Mechanic here. Now I got something on my workbench I usually don't have. Hair dryer. This is Mrs. Mellow Mechanic's hair dryer. And she gave it to me because she has a little issue with it. And it's a relatively old hair dryer. She's had it for a while. She likes it, doesn't really want to replace it. But if you look at the back here, see all that white? That's all fuzz and dust and just stuff that just accumulates on the back of this thing. And she's tried going in there with tweezers and Q-tips and all kinds of stuff trying to clean that out. And so our job today is to clean that out. Now it looks to me like this piece should come off. Aha! Look at that. So if you look, it has a screen that captures all that dust and prevents it from going inside the hair dryer. Now what we'll do is I have my trusty Snoopy toothbrush, and we'll go in and push it from the inside out. You want those little fingers to come through. Just like that. Now you want to go from the inside out. I don't think it'd work. No, it just kind of balls it up. Got to go in like this. And the quickest way to do this is be on the air compressor. Take about half a second. But I'm doing this and showing y'all, if you don't have an air compressor, but you got yourself a dirty hair dryer and an old toothbrush, this would be how you clean it out. Yeah, you want to work these bristles of the toothbrush through the screen here. Yeah, it gets all the gunk out of here. Years and years of accumulated dust. Look at that. They're coming out. Stuff's just floating around in the air. Getting sucked into the hair dryer. A little bit more to do here, but look at that. Go clean that guy. Just that little tiny, got about 90% of it. There we go. Good as new. I should just snap back on. And there we go. All clean. We're back up and running. Miss Mellow Mechanic will be happy. Thank you for watching the video.